Okay, what are we, number 11 right now?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, I haven't actually seen this beer before. The 86 Black Special Dark Beer, Varia Holland Beer, 7.9%. Special Dark Beer, whatever that means.
Dog. Use the planet.
And what you got?
I have Chapeau Peche Lambic. It is a product of Belgium. That's probably got to be my favorite country.
Yeah.
My favorite country, Belgium, for drinks. I think they do some good stuff.
Well, Dan ABA, let me know if you've had that one.
This is also spontaneously fermented, flavored with natural juice of peach and matured in oak cask. Oh, be interesting for
Weird.
sure.
Can's all bumpy too.
I know it's
Weird.
Bumpy.
Never seen a can like that before. Alright.
texture.
Ooh. Hey. Enough. Ooh, she's really fizzy. Here. Looks like pop.
Gone.
Alright. We got the aroma. Getting a little bit of a boozy character, but getting a lot of roast. A little bit of chocolate. Actually, almost a little bit of milk chocolate. How about you?
Mine just smells like you can tell it's like a sour beer.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can't really. I mean, there's peach in there, but you can't get that sour. More, I think.
A little bit of spiciness. Almost peppery, but a lot of that dark roast. Interesting. Huh. Imported from Holland. Special dark beer. Okay.
That's probably not how we talk, but
Yeah,
cheers.
probably not. Yeah. Cheers. Oh, wow. Actually really interesting. Really fruity, really lots of roast. Yeah, lots of like almost a little bit like a milk chocolate taste. Smooth for 7.9% though. I don't know. I'm usually biased when I see these tall boy cans, but this one,
I know, it's like, can.
oh,
This one actually is
oh,
interesting.
weird. How much you? What are you getting?
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually not really sweet at all, but it's not really, really sour either. It's hitting the right balance for me.
Nice. Oh wow, I'm getting tons of molasses on the back of my tongue now. Yeah, it's pretty roasty, but it's got this like sweetness to it. It's decent, I would think. Yeah. Slightly carbonated. Lots of caramel. Yeah, a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of roast. Yeah, but it does finish with this molassesy kind of taste.
It is a beer, and it has 20% peach.
Peach what? What did it say?
It says water, malt, wheat, hop, yeast, sugar, flavor, peach, 20%.
Okay. Hmm.
3.5%. It's, yeah, definitely not a high percentage of Suzy to drink.
Okay, this says mineral water, barley malt, maltose, caramel, flavoring, flavoring hops, special Donka beer. Oh, that's going in the next page. Interesting.
Would you buy it again?
Yeah, probably. It's not too bad. Pretty smooth for 7.9%.
Yeah.
Alright, well, cheers.
Cheers.